Ay.
Hindi niyo napansin eh.
Wala pa.
Ay, wala pa.
Ay, diba?
Ay, meron na pala.
Yes!
Game na.
Ayan! O, diba?
Ayan.
Ayan na.
Wow!
Ang ganda.
Ang feeling!
Ang ganda naman ang backdrop natin. Thank you po. Thank you, Team Bini, for this,
For this wonderful setup.
In this wonderful life.
For the food.
and the cake.
And the cake and the street food.
Yeah. Hi, guys! Parang ako panibago na syempre mag-i-introduce ulit tayo kasi new audience, new platform. Okay, let's try. Okay, game. 2, 3, mabuhay!
Hi, I'm Mika. Hi, I'm Paulette.
I'm Maloy.
I'm Stacy.
I'm Joanna.
I'm Aya. Hi, I'm Sheena.
I'm Gwen.
And we are Bini!
Yay!
And what is Bini?
Beanie
The girl group.
stands is for a girl group, anak.
Yes, guys, Bini, we are an 8-member girl group po from the Philippines. And excited po. This is our first live here on Weavers. Kaya excited po kami. At dahil first live natin, just like kung paano ang first, ano yung first, ano ba yun? Basta first birthday ng mga bata, meron din tayong cake na ibublow natin ngayon.
Oh, really? Ngayon
Yes.
Like right now?
Right now.
Ang
Kaya
cute
mo
ng
ba?
match. Ang haba.
Takot ako sa ganyan. Saan mo iyaano siya?
Wow. You're doing so good.
Wow!
Incense.
Ang ganda ng cake natin.
Yay! Cute. Let's kanta tayo.
Okay,
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday! This is our
to you.
Birthday?
First day.
First.
First day.
First day namin.
Happy.
It's normal. Okay, happy birthday.
Happy birthday,
Happy
Weavers.
Happy Weavers Day.
Happy first day,
Weavers.
Weavers.
Okay. 5, 6, 7.
Happy birthday, Weavers. Happy birthday, Weavers. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Weavers. Birthday ng Weavers? Okay. Go, blow it, Ate Jo.
Let's all blow it.
Sabay na tayo.
Happy birthday, Bini.
Kaya nga.
Kaya may birthday ng Weavers. Ay, isa pa.
Okay. Happy birthday, Bini
on Weavers.
Happy birthday,
Okay,
Bini
5,
Haba.
6,
Happy birthday, Bini on Weavers. Happy birthday, Bini on Weavers. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Bini on Weavers.
Ah, wait, make a wish.
Okay.
Okay, let's go.
1, 2, 3, go.
Wow. Asa ako? Sabay sige pala. Yes, guys, let's eat! Siyempre, habang
Yay! Face reveal muna.
Yes, guys, kayo na lang ulit namin nakasama si
Guys, isang linggo namin hindi nakasama si Mitch.
Totoo.
So, alam nyo lang. But she's now
fine.
here.
Yeah, she is recovering now.
She's recovering.
Wala siyang habulan, but she can do it.
Yeah. Kasi natanggalan siya. Okay lang, di ba? Na voice
Yeah.
niya. Okay lang, may permission siya. English. Four of her
Feeling meaning.
Okay. It is a fact that Mika has her 4 wisdom tooth extracted.
What do you feel about
Four wisdom teeth are
Impacted.
extracted
And impacted.
and impacted
and distracted?
and distracted and manipulated. And she needed surgery. Do you remember the Showtime Unang Kilig? After that, she went home and she cried. And then the next day, it was the operation.
Wala
So,
siyang magawa kasi.
I know, what do you feel about it?
and I feel nauseous about it.
Nauseous?
Ako nahihilo.
You're the one who's not.
What does it mean for you?
I feel nauseous and conscious.
And cautious.
And cautious.
My Confucius.
Okay na?
Anong meaning? What does it mean?
And I feel like that's the beauty of being an 8-member girl group. We have one that is impacted. Oh, I'm also impacted. But only
Me too.
I'm a survivor.
Me too.
Okay, girls, 4. Who's impacted?
Me.
I have 2.
Me.
I have
Me.
I survived. Are you impacted? I don't have wisdom.
Oh. Ay, both of them
The eldest.
doesn't have wisdom.
Doesn't have a wisdom.
No tooth.
Let's eat.
Okay, let's eat.
Let's pray first.
Okay, let's pray first.
Bless us, O Lord, in this thy gifts which we are about to receive from thy bounty to Christ our Lord. Amen.
Amen. Thank you po sa nag-prepare ng food.
Thank you for the
Salamat
food.
po.
We have kimchi. We have
Guys, this is
Big.
isaw because we are Filipino. You explain
Sushi.
what isaw to them.
Okay, so guys, isaw means you're beautiful. Isaw.
ISAW.
The spelling of isaw is ISAW. So it means isaw. It means in English, I saw. I saw the sign. When it opens up my eyes, I saw the sign. I saw the sign. No. Isaw. Isaw is the intestine of chicken. Of Joanna. No, I'm just kidding.
This is barbecue.
Yeah.
This is
Chicken meat. Yeah, it's chicken meat or pork? Pork?
barbecue.
What's this? How do you explain this? What's
Anything you like. It's
Tenga po ba to?
versatile. Grilled meat. Meat.
grilled meat?
Tenga po.
Meat.
Yung tenga sa amin maliit.
Pig's ear. Okay, just eat it. This is spaghetti.
With sauce.
With sauce. No, it's kimchi. Ang bango ah.
Meron din tayong
Tapos,
brownies.
we have brownies and we have baked sushi and we have cake and we have spoon and fork.
And show your
tissue.
coffee, bebe. Ay, bebe.
Bebe.
Show your coffee.
Di, wag na. Ang laki ng coffee na nabili ko.
Bebe. Guys, yung coffee na nabili niya, ganito kalaki.
Matusok eh.
Ah?
Matusok.
Bebe, magbasa ka comments. Basa mo ba?
We have Korean comments yun.
Wow! Ay, mga blooms lang yan. Mga blooms lang yan eh. Parang, wow, you're so good. Where are you from? Ganda niyo po.
Hindi ko mabasa.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Mga blooms lang yung mga nagko-Korean eh.
Basa kayo comments. Try niyo.
From Indonesia.
Wait.
Hi!
US blooms din.
Meron?
Di ba taga Indonesia? Hindi ako makasalita kasi makapauso.
No na? And guys, hindi lang tayo ang kasali sa Weavers. Congratulations po, SB19! Congratulations! Grabe, no? Parang members lang. Sino members ba kayo ng Weavers before?
Si ano, itong dalawa.
Tapos kayo na nagla-live, grabe na kayo!
Yung one,
Can we eat?
I know you're watching. This is me, your future.
Your future collaborator.
Your future collaborator.
I want baked sushi.
Kasi Aya nakasubscribe din sa Weavers. Kay Lee Min Ho. Nag-post na ako.
Kay Lee Min Ho?
Nag-post na daw siya, hindi pa nagpo-post. Akala nila
Oh, nag-hello na ako. Eto si Joanna, hindi pa nagpo-post.
Tinuturuan namin kahapon.
Ayaw kasi
Okay lang kasi you posted your naman na eh. With the cannibalismo thing.
Pero gulay.
Sabi nila mag-subscribe din daw kay Bebe kasi puro Joanna content.
Hindi, yun yung first and last.
Thank you. You want?
So how are you guys? How is everyone?
How is everything? How's
Kailan
life?
kayo nag-subscribe? Ay, kailan nag-subscribe? Pare-pareho po tayong bago dito, kaya hello.
May mangga, Tidyo? Cannibalism again?
Merong mangga yun.
Yung cake, hatiin niyo yung cake. Cannibalism.
Masarap.
Oh, hatiin na daw ang cake. Gwen wants to eat the cake.
Go, Gwen.
Sakit sa pusong hatiin, no? Ganda-ganda.
Masarap.
Ano?
Oo nga, picture.
Asan yung bukas na ano?
Wala pa tayong picture sa cake.
Makes you want seaweeds.
She can't. You need to blend it. Hindi, nguyain mo muna. Tapos
Tara, kain po dito. Halika na.
ano?
Tara.
Parang sakit yung leg ko.
Ano kayo yan?
Aeroplane.
Grabe naman yung pag...
Mix
Pero
up.
naman
Ang sarap!
Mix. Kape. Huwag ka nang magkape dahil.
Ito lang, palpitate ko.
You need some drink.
No.
Ako na.
Smoothie lang daw kayo.
Ang taray.
What do you want, Mix?
Smoothie si Mix.
Kanya pala.
Oh, meron ka? You want?
Ayun siya.
Watching from
naka-blue.
United States of Summer.
Hi! Oh, you can't face reveal.
Cannibalismo, Jo.
Ay, mangga ni Jo nasaan?
Mag-ASMR na lang tayo.
First mukbang ba to? Oh, magmumukbang kami.
Pwede daw ba pa-zoom?
No.
No.
Gusto raw po drinks ni
Can you
Bebe.
6-7.
Oh, we have.
Hello from Toronto. Toronto.
Hi!
Hello. Hello.
Ayan.
Ano ba?
Tubig.
Meron siyang cucumber.
Ha?
May cucumber daw. May gulay daw ba?
Hindi ko natikman.
Pero steam, ano mo?
Meron daw.
Oh, sino gusto
sino pa may
magkwento
gusto?
Sino gusto magkwento bakit Bloom yung fandom name natin? Paano siya nabuo?
Actually,
Dami mo kanina.
Anong ano ba
Ano
yun?
ba? Hindi,
Binigyan tayo
actually,
nun, di ba?
hindi, dati, nung nag-livestream tayo, marami pa tayong...
Dapat nga may option pa tayong binhi.
Merong Harmony, maraming options yung gusto
Oo.
naming fandom name, pero nagkasundo tayo lahat, including our Blooms. Nagawing Blooms, kasi Beanie nga, yung ano natin is flower, di ba? Parang, ano nga yun, yung parang...
Symbol?
Yeah, yung ano namin is flower. So parang babagay siya if bloom, kasi our blooms are very beautiful and blooming.
In-announce din natin siya naka-live tayo.
Oo, naka-live tayo. Botohan ba yun?
Parang
Yes.
na-shortlisted
Oo.
from Bloom. Tapos tayo na yung namili talaga.
Yeah, that's the history of Bloom.
Bloom. And our first pre-debut song was the Coconut Nut.
I love that song. You can search.
Please watch the MV.
Please watch the music video of the
Ano yung
Coconut Nut.
2020? November
2020.
2020.
Hi.
Tapos
Grabe that house.
How are you guys? How are you? How do you feel today? How's life lately?
Let's ask
Start
Mix.
with Mika. How's life?
Type mo na lang kung...
Type mo na lang.
Hindi, okay lang. I'm okay.
How are you?
How are you coping with your impact? Ay, wala na pala.
With your wisdom to remove on.
Malapit na.
Ilang
Almost
days ka?
recovered.
Ilang days ka ngayon?
One
From nung binunutan mo?
Ayun, one week today.
Tuesday.
One kaya din, no? Kasi, pero kailan ka maggagalaw na pwede? Kasi si Tito Boy kasi to eh.
Ano na ako gumalaw, pero hindi ko makaya yung umiti ng gano'n. Tapos,
Full out.
hindi ko pa kaya. May tahi pa yung last.
Sige nga, smile ka nga.
Ah, wala na yung right? Wala nang
Wala
tayo
lang
yung...
tahi sa right. Pero
Ang
yun
bilis.
lang, meron pa.
Pangangahin ka nun naman.
Pero wala nang bubo ka dyan. Pag gumalaw ka, wala namang bubo ka, walang ganun. Di ba may case ganun na before, parang gumalaw tapos bumo ka doon?
Oo.
Pag
yung
masyadong
sobra.
oo. Pag di pa magaling.
Let's all clap for Mika. Woo! She rehearsed today at what time? Early in the morning.
9 a.m.?
Yes.
Training na siya mamaya?
Hindi, hindi pwede.
Pero,
Pwede
i-bablocking
mo
sa siya.
training.
Pero hindi ka pwedeng...
Hindi naman ako full out.
Just stand.
Yeah, blocking.
Okay, how about you?
Hindi ako makapagsalita.
Guys, ate ko
Yo,
yung
pala.
papaus na.
Kaya, ganito lang energy ko. Bawal akong tumawa ng malakas. Pinipigilan ko nga.
Sobrang positive na tao.
It's fine. Pinipigilan ko. Hindi ako pwede mapaos.
Yeah, you can't.
We can't.
How about you?
Ako pili ko magkakasipon ako. So, kailangan ko na uminom ng...
Oo, yun. Ano, kasi ilang beses na ako nagkasakit last year and this year, kaya ako yung nagre-reseta sa kanila.
Ano kaming pharmacist dito?
Siya yung nagre...
Ikaw. How are you?
Ano, ang dami. I'm good, thank you. How about you?
Yun lang.
I'm fine.
But you're with your friends?
Yeah, gabi-gabi na ako.
Your legs.
Hi guys, alam nyo ba recently?
Fun fact.
Fun fact. Baliktad yun. Fun fact.
Yeah.
Ano, parang yung sa training kasi sobrang intense ng rehearsals namin. May mga
Intense,
ano,
guys.
flooring, ganyan. yung right leg ko, dahil tumigas. Tumigas siya, hindi ko siya magalaw. Tapos, hindi rin ako makalakad ng maayos. Literal na yung left leg ko na lang yung nagbubuhat sa buong katawan ko. Kaya, ayun. Yeah, but I'm okay now. Thank you, Coach Iya. So, ikaw naman, Jo.
Ako, I'm happy. And, wala, feeling ko na ang productive ng days natin recently. Yun.
That's it?
Yeah, that's it. Basta I'm full. Lagi akong busog yun.
Di ba nag-gym ka?
Ha?
Gym ka?
First and last naman.
Yung nanay ko kasi, pero syempre nakakagilty hindi kainin yung mga luto. Ito wala din. Doble-doble
Sinisimo pa yung
lahat ng
nanay.
kain ko.
Tita Jonah,
Yeah,
it's your fault.
it's your fault. Ikaw naman. Ikaw naman, Ate Ay.
Ikaw naman, Ate Aya. Thank you pala sa mangga, Ate Aya. Nagbigay siya ng sobrang
Yeah.
daming mangga kagabi.
Yes,
Ay,
yung
yeah.
kagabi na nasa video.
Credits to Ate Aya. Sa kanya pa rin
Nakita ko nasa van kasi ako sa may sa labas.
Bilyang.
May naghawak ng mga mangga.
Ah,
Tapos may
ah.
picture ni Lord. Sabi ko, sige lang.
Konsensya lang.
Binili ko lahat.
Pero
Grabe.
sarap, matamis siya.
How are you lately?
Me, not work, condo, gym. That's it.
Wow!
Walang iba.
Ganun dapat Ate Jo,
Ako,
consistent.
Consistent.
Hindi yung first and last.
Work on the...
Kain.
Work on... Binabulong lang.
Yung gym pabulong lang.
Work on the... beses niya lang ginawa.
Ay, first and last. Work on the Ikaw, Bebe, how are you and your isaw? And your impacted tooth.
I know.
Teeth. I'm good. Ano oras ka nagising para mag-blower? 8 a.m.
She, what are you eating, these past few days?
Ay, wow, be proud, be proud. Oh.
I have no choice but to eat gulay.
Wow! Achievement.
But I don't want nuggets. Basta, I'm eating na guys, I'm eating gulay na. My favorite gulay is lettuce.
Nakita ko siya.
It's an achievement.
Di ba ang laki na in-order yung salad? Lahat natira yung gulay, tapos naubos yung karning. Naubos yung steak na kasama yung gulay natin.
Whatever.
Ay, ka, Bebe.
Ikaw naman, Gwen.
I'm okay.
Okay. Guys, okay na yun. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for today. That's it. Hanggang 12 ako today.
Hanggang 500 words lang siguro sa isang araw.
I
No,
feel more stronger.
By Coach Mickey.
Stronger kasi productive na kami, dami namin ginagawa. So parang nagain ko ulit yung strength like before, you get me.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Well, happy birthday kay Tita Malu. Happy 60th
Yes!
birthday. 60, di ba? Si Tita Malu.
Ay, alam 16th yun. Sobrang bata.
Baddie.
Yeah, Daddy, yari. Ikaw naman, Sir James. How are you today?
Behind the camera.
Ay, cut na natin yung cake dahil gusto nang kainin ni Gwen.
Yes.
Sige, go. May pang-pots ba? Ito. Ay,
Or ito. Oh.
Cake.
Pork?
Cake.
Pork lang.
Pork na naman.
Magano na lang tayo. Okay.
Spoon.
Hala, di ba matigas ang fondant?
Or, tanggalin na lang natin.
Ay, malambot.
ay soft.
Gusto niya i-try kung malambot.
fondant
Sabi
ni
na nga yung mga...
Ay, malambot.
Yung kamukha ko.
Ano daw? Sabi ko na nga.
Bigay mo ng blooms yun, oh. Sa pero.
Si Mika yung pinakaunang si Mika yung, di ba may tradition tayo na lagi tayo nagsa-celebrate, lagi nagbibigay yung blooms. Si Mika yung nag-start,
Unang-una.
nasa Star Hunt pa tayo. Tapos
Oo, may
cake,
lechon.
may lechon, may spaghetti.
Bawal pa tayo kumain nito.
Kwento mo.
Tapos yung cake
Hindi
ni...
nakakatawa eh.
Yung cake ni Mix kamukha ni Jo.
Wala kasi
Oh,
picture, di mo
Basta merong cake noon si Mix. Tapos mataas siya, like 3 layer ata.
Ang volleyball player pa yun.
Tapos fondant. Tapos merong mukha ni Mix na volleyball player. Pero kamukha ni Ate Jo. Tapos, di ba kasi diet kami noon? Di pa naman kami paldo. Di pa naman kami paldo noon. So, tinitipid namin yung cake ni Mix for
1 month.
1 month.
So, gagawin namin, yung 1 month sa ref. Yung ref kasi sa PBB, di ba, 2-door? So, gagawin namin, pag break, bubuksan namin lahat ng mga ganyan. Hindi namin nilalabas kasi bawal.
Bawal nga.
Bawal
Weekend.
nga eh.
Kaya umabot siya ng 1 month, guys, kasi weekends lang kami pwedeng may cheat day kami sa
Oo, pala
sa
weekend.
Star.
So, doon kami kumakain sa loob ng ref.
Gusto mo ilapit sa'yo yung laptop sa gitna?
Hindi, okay lang.
Di okay lang nakakain din kasi yung laptop eh.
It's part of it.
Ito rin nakakain dito.
Cake or...
It's fun.
Okay.
Go, Bebe. Kaya mo ba?
So, baka maulo.
Nanghihina na si Gwen.
Anong flavor niyan?
Baka tumumba yung blueberry.
Ito pala Wala, wag ito kinagatan ko niya. Akin na lang. Ayan.
Kinagatan?
Hindi, ito ginanon ko kasi.
Hindi, kakakuha ko lang yan.
Hindi,
Kinagatan ko kasi gano'n.
Ay, sa
Tinest ko if nakakain siya.
Ay, hanep.
Alam mo, ba't niyo pa ako tinatawanan?
Ay, hanep.
Parang
Mga
may
parang
lang
talaga
siya.
kayo.
Ayan, naabot yung 2 months naman to. Dali natin.
Oh, ayan,
sa
okay
co-
na.
Sa Coachella.
Get well soon daw, Bini Mika. Thank you daw po.
Parang sarap yung cake.
Oh, hati-hati.
Share
Wala.
na lang ng plate.
Ang hirap talaga ng phone.
Kung sino mo yung nag-bake dito, nagising to ng maaga today. Diba dapat kasi fresh ginagawa ang cake? Yes,
Parang
especially
fresh
kapag...
yan.
We?
Hindi, especially pag... siguro yung
Ganitong
fondant,
kulay
pero
yung
yung
birthday
pero
cake
na-bake
ni
niya na yan
Mamita.
siguro.
Yes.
Pagka-
Kaya naalala ko.
Hindi, na-ref na niya to.
May picture ako.
Itong
Sa isang-
kinapay.
Yeah,
Tapos yung fondant.
kanina lang ginawa siguro.
Sige, hello kayo.
Ang hirap pala nitong nakatayong cake.
Halo, kain mo na ito.
How are you guys preparing for Coachella daw, leader?
Preparing for Coachella?
Ayan, masakit katawan nila.
Oo, hindi seryoso.
Araw-araw.
Nakakapagod talaga training.
Yes.
Gonna be worth it.
Tsaka pag nagkasakit tayo, hindi sabay-sabay, isa-isa. So, yun din yung mahirap. Parang,
Last time, tatlo.
oo, last
First
time
time
tatlo,
natin,
tapos isa-isa.
tatlo absent
Oo,
pala.
first
Eh,
time.
where? First time kasi nagana yung blooms na parang nangyari na rin daw yun. Pero hindi, pinakaunti natin, yung red velvet. Yung six.
Wala si Ate Aya tsaka si Gwen. Ay,
Oo, tama.
si Mix.
Ang Gwen
Oh, share!
Yun yung pinakaunti natin dalawa.
Pero yung sakit kasi hindi naman yan na sa schedule. So, pag alam mo yun, parang...
Priority.
O, pwedeng okay ka today,
Prioritize
pero
your health.
bukas, di ba, may mafe-feel
You'll
kang
never
ano.
know. Hindi. Ang anay kasi, it's either isa-isa or biglang sabay-sabay.
Oo, ganun.
May times na nagkakahawa. Siyempre, lagi pa naman tayo magkakasama.
Totoo. Tapos nagkikiss sa Rainy.
Yeah, lo.
Parang may hinanakit ka sa akin, bebe. Sa amin yan.
Masarap.
Kayong dalawa lang, kay Bebe wala.
sa akin kaya ako naka...
Ano tayo? Isang beses nga tayo nag-cake.
Ayun.
Yan, yung sarap ng cake.
Gusto nyo?
Later.
Masarap.
Sino magsasample ng kanta?
Sino magkaroon?
Sabi po.
Sana pala dinala ko yung ano ko. Mike,
Sige mo mabasa. Ay, hindi. Turuan natin sila ng Filipino words.
You want fondant? No.
Hindi kasi tayo sure kung lahat ng audience natin ay, alam mo yun, mga
Ang Pinoy.
Pinoys.
Feeling ko may mga tatlong Americans.
Okay, let's teach them Filipino words.
Go.
Okay.
Hello?
Naglag. Nakatulog.
Ay, nakatulog.
Anong
Ay, nakatulog.
Okay. Mabuhay.
Parang greedy.
Mabuhay is like
Oo. Actually, kapag direct translation, ang mabuhay is parang long live. Parang ganon. Pero we use it as a greeting. Like, mabuhay. So,
Buhay.
oo, if you're not
Hello.
Filipino, pwedeng sabihin nyo yun sa mga, pagpupunta kayo Philippines ka na mabuhay.
May cake sa mid.
Yup.
Next.
That's good, Ate Jo.
bibig kasi dyan eh.
Pero hindi rin nila naintindihan. Kasi
Mabuhay.
Mabuhay! Yun. Parang siyang hello, parang ganon.
Parang sawadi ka.
Na very formal, ganun.
Yeah. Sawadi ha.
Oh, kilig. Paano yung kilig?
Kilig, there is no direct translation in English. I believe
Pero ang
ng
kilig is giddy. Pag sinabi natin butterflies.
Yeah. Oo. It gives you butterflies. Inside your
Giddy,
intestines.
tama. Giddy.
Inside your intestines.
Giddy na.
Oh.
Blush.
Bebe, can you... Blush.
Blush.
Yeah, blush.
Blush.
Pwede po ba itong
Bust out?
Apo.
Wait.
Taray. Bust
Wait.
out. Ay, hindi na
Gusto mo sa nasa loob? Jo?
Thank you.
Yung tinapay?
Okay, what else, Jo?
Wait lang, lapit natin.
What else? Unang kilig. Oh, anong meaning ng unang kilig?
First
First
blush.
Unang tinig. Ay, sorry.
Unang halik.
Unang kilig.
Unang rinig.
Unang kilig? It's like your first love, first kilig, or first time to experience kilig.
First crush. Di ba English mo yung crush?
Yeah, first crush. Ay, ganun.
It's a feeling.
Baby, what? You're dissecting it, baby.
What are you doing, Gwen?
The fondant? Ang lasa nito. Go. Get the... Okay.
Okay, next. Mahar kita. Mahar kita, it means I love you. Mahal namin kayo, Blue.
Oh, yeah, mahal kita. It means I love you. It means sarangheyo.
Yeah.
It means aishiteru.
Aishiteru.
It means...
Time. It means
Mahal kita.
It means...
anong I love you sa Thai?
Tay-tay?
Sa Thailand. Tsaka sa Russia, ano ba?
I don't know.
Sabadi ka.
I don't know.
Ano?
Kapong ka. Thank you.
Thank you yun.
Oh, ito naman. Laban lang.
Fighting.
Laban lang means...
Fighting!
Yeah. Keep going. Stay strong. Fighting.
Yeah. How about giggle, Jo? What does giggle means?
Giggle. Your
It means squishy. When something is cute, parang you want to squeeze it down, you know?
you want-
Sobrang cute, oh. Oh, ito she.
131 na siya. Okay, next word. A. It's just an...
31
Just an expression.
K?
Let's
K?
shout out.
132,000?
130k viewers.
Saan po kayo galing?
130K?
What? Ang dami!
32 na.
100!
130.
Oh! Hello!
Oh my gosh!
Oh,
Okay.
introduce our group. Go.
132.
3,000?
Oo nga!
From Seattle, from Thailand,
Wow! Hi guys!
Austria.
oh. 31, 33.
Wow,
132.
thank you everyone. Houston,
132?
Australia.
33 na. 30.
Okay, let's give them a shout out.
Hello, everyone.
Hi. Hi.
Viewers.
Hi, Zaira. Okay. Hi, Joseo. Hi, Carlise. Blink.
Oh.
Hi, Blink.
Galing sila,
Honey.
Chicago.
Hi
New
from
York,
Japan.
Japan.
Hi.
Bulacan, Laguna, Alban.
What's up? Hi.
Thank you so much, guys, for watching our first ever live here in Weavers.
Yeah.
Bear with us.
Yeah, it's the first time.
Yeah.
It's our birthday.
It's our birthday.
Yeah!
here.
It's a birthday.
Hi everyone. Hi from all over the world.
Feeling ko yung mga
Mga blooms lang to.
Oo, parang hirap paniwalaan mo.
Ang hirap yung paniwalaan, ah. Ito naman, sino magaling mag-Korean?
Ate Maloy.
Ate Malo.
Okay, since Weavers is a Korean platform, we're gonna try to speak some Korean words. Please bear with us because we're not Koreans, but we're gonna try our best. 안녕하세요. Let's say 안녕하세요, guys.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Annyeonghaseyo.
We are Beanie.
Okay, 감사합니다. 감사합니다, Blooms.
Thank you.
감사합니다.
사랑해.
Di ba magaling ka, di ba fluent ka mag-Korean?
share 가르도요.
Yeah.
Can I please go to the CR?
40 million hearts.
Wow!
Thank you.
Sarangayo.
Million?
Ayan o. Nakita pa
Saan
lang.
galing yan?
137. 138
Ang
viewers.
dami.
14,800.
Oh, what are ano pa yung mga
Ate Aya, si Ate Aya magaling to mag-Korean.
Oo,
Ay, wala na.
Wala na.
Ano?
Kailangan may malaman ko.
Korean yun.
Ay, hindi magsusunod tayo lyrics. Kantayin natin yung chorus. Dali na.
Or yung kaya
taas na nila. Ano title nun?
Yes, na wala tayo.
Wala tayo.
Pwede, iroke, radonol.
I'm here. Ano yan?
Answer mo, I'm still
175. Kaya ngayon? Hotel de Luna.
Wow, 185.
I'm still,
Yung napunta sila sa 195k viewers.
Crash Landing on You.
Guys,
Crash
almost
Landing on You.
200k viewers na.
What? Ayun na tayo. Here I am again.
Yay! 200k viewers, hello. Iba to. Yes!
Ayun na lang!
Mas maganda po yung cover namin noon.
Hindi, papalgaman. Parang Red Velvet.
Search mo Red Velvet.
Red Velvet.
May comeback ng Red Velvet.
Yeah. Hindi si ano
Ira,
naman.
tsaka si Irene.
Ano title nun?
Ano, Red Flavor.
Backstory, guys.
Easy lyrics ba tayo nun?
Yes.
Oo. Ito yung mga, these are the Korean songs we used to sing when we were in trainees.
Yeah.
When we were just trainees. We covered a lot of Korean songs.
Hindi ba tayo nag-English na ito?
Yung English natin
English
na.
na iba.
Okay. English ang ba yung sinundan natin dito?
So, merong Red Flavor and You Better Know.
Wala, mali na sa Google eh.
Parang lag sa Pinas. I'm curious. Cover yun ng babae.
Hindi, memorize pa natin yan.
Oo, 5, 6.
Hindi, mag-ano na lang tayo. Mga...
Lag ba? Is it still lagging?
hindi siya kimchi.
Wow.
Alam niya yan? Sarap. Parang kimchi.
Maanghang. Ano po yan?
Gulaman. I hope.
Papapagaman!
Okay lang po, 6 po.
Pwede pa sit?
Okay na po, okay na. Okay na po. Thank you.
Ayan.
Okay.
Wow!
Dami.
So pa? Anong lyrics?
Papapagaman ba yung umpisa?
Papapagaman!
Well, we forgot it. You better.
Ano ba yung alam natin?
Tayo nag-agad yun.
Honey na lang.
Honey.
Honey na lang. Ano?
Go, basta ako intro, honey.
Hindi naman ako yung intro dun
I
eh.
mean, intro mo yung song. Guys, honey is
So
our
guys,
latest
we're
single.
going to sing our latest song, latest single, Honey.
Pa, ito yung mic.
Si Bebe ang opener.
Oh, ito yung gagawin natin mic.
Oh my god, it's everything. I love it. Just like winter melting into spring.
Sino na?
Look at what it does for me. Oh baby, you don't gotta dance. I'm already obsessed. Cause I won't try to fight it. So make it strong and let it flow. You're just how I like it. Give me the golden hour, just like a beat of flowers. Your love is sugar sweet like honey, drip this on me. Every kiss a highlight. No one can love me so right. Your love is sugar sweet like honey, honey dripping from me. Stay, stick with me. Who no love good, who no love good. Stay, so sticky sweet. Like honey, honey dripping from me.
Okay na, thank you!
Yeah!
Next song, ito naman, by kay Lani. Honey. Oh.
Yeah.
Wow.
Di ko magagawa, nararamdaman pag ikaw ang katabi. Katabi, katabi. Sasabihin ko ba o idaan na lang sa simpleng ngiti? How we try to let it on my face, you don't say anything wrong. But it's
All na lang tayo, all, para marinig.
My heart's so strong. Oh, ba't nakakabaliw tong pag-ibig? Baby, no more games. Just give me a sign. Kung ba na sa'kin manggaling? Gusto mo ba malaman ano ang iniisip? Let's lose track of the time and rewind and repeat. Yes, boy, here's my guarantee. Love ko is tamis ng unang kilig. Ooh, unang kilig. Ooh, unang kilig. Yeah.
Yes! Unang Kilig is our latest single po. So if you have time, you can listen to it on all digital streaming platforms worldwide. Yes. Unang Kilig and Honey.
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 Yeah. So, ilan yung viewers natin? Wow! Bakit ang dami? I cannot believe it.
Maybe because it's
Wow.
Lunchtime daw. Baka break.
gabi sa ibang country na. Sa mga napadaan lang, anong English nun? Sa mga napadaan lang.
Hello
To everyone who just passed by.
Yeah.
Sige,
Hi, we're
translate.
Beanie.
Translate namin lahat ng thoughts mo. Okay.
Sa lahat po lang napadaan na maraming salamat po sa pagpapanood sa aming Beanie. We're just a new
Wait
group.
lang, ang haba.
Wait.
Per ano naman? Per phrase
Per
naman.
ano?
Okay.
Sa lahat po lang napadaan, hello po, kami po ang Beanie.
Hello to everyone who's watching. We're Beanie.
And sobra na may kinagagalak na nanonood kayo ngayon dito.
And
We are
so
delighted to
grateful.
have you here.
Just choose A or B.
Aray!
Or C.
Regine Velasquez.
A or B or C, Regine Velasquez.
Sorry.
Okay, next.
Ako po ay...
Okay, that's it for now.
Ay, nakatulog? Okay na. Ano, hindi ako Tagalog. Kayo sa English. Ano?
Dapat kami Tagalog.
ABC. Ikaw Tagalog. Hindi si Joe. Tagalog din. Hindi, ano mo?
Sige, Tagalog na lang. Game. English ka?
Tagalog nga ako.
Tagalog siya.
English ka!
English siya.
Ikaw yung pambato namin eh.
Wala kasi pagkatapos po ng aming ano English na? Pagkatapos po ng aming palabas.
Live stream mo.
Palabas na ito. Pagkatapos po ng aming kaganapang ito ay puspusan na po ulit ang aming pag-eensayo.
After our live stream today, after this, we're gonna continue our rigorous training.
Spell rigorous.
Spell rigorous.
Rigor!
UK accent.
Okay, British.
No.
Try lang.
British accent.
Go, Bebe. You can do
Lumalabas
it.
lang siya pag nasa UK talaga.
Just say one word na UK accent. How are you today?
And a disclaimer muna na ano lang yan. Na natutulan. Hindi ka ano.
Wag na!
Wag ka.
Or exuberant. Nakita ko yung sino
Oh,
May
ano
nakalagay
daw meaning nun?
Hindi ako naglagay yun, like, for your information.
Ano yun?
Exuberant.
Ano?
What does that mean? Hey Siri.
Ala.
Tayo'y mga
Exuberant. It means someone or something full of energy.
Light
Yeah.
energy, high
Something
spirit.
produce a great abundance.
Watching from Vegas. Ooh.
Hello. From
Comment
Las
where you're
Vegas.
from. Comment like your flag.
Flag.
Yes, comment your flags.
So we
Oh.
can see and know it.
And be honest.
Naku, yung Blooms magko-comment yan ng
Kaya
ano.
nga.
Blooms, pag di ka Pinas ka, Philippine flag.
Yes.
Or
Please,
else, you're
Blooms,
not
don't
appearing.
loko-loko us.
Watching from Canada. Hello.
From
Australia.
Comment your flag, guys.
Makati daw.
Canada,
Canada,
Philippines,
US.
UAE.
USA.
Daming Pilipinas, sobrang daming Philippines. Feeling ko ano,
From
dito
Dubai.
Philippines.
Japan.
Ayaw nga. Indonesia.
Indonesia.
Ilan na po yung viewers?
From the Philippines.
China.
380. Hong Kong.
Malaysia.
Maryland.
4,000.
Totoo ba yan? Ang dami.
Ano po?
From Switzerland.
May K po ba nakalagay? May K?
New
Oo nga.
Zealand. Hello.
Korea.
Korea, South Korea.
Ang ganda ng
Canada.
camera.
Australia.
Philippines.
Ayun o, we have 385,000 viewers.
Saan nakikita yun?
Here, ito yung heart, 17 million.
Right here.
Wow.
India.
That's
New
amazing.
Zealand. Spain.
Spain.
Sana makapag-show tayo sa Spain.
True.
Saan pa ba tayo hindi
Wow.
nakakapag...
Japan.
Japan, Indonesia,
Japan.
Actually, konti
Malaysia.
pa lang. Konti pa lang Asia natin eh.
Puro North
Puro
America.
ano tayo, yes. North America.
Hopefully.
Yes, hopefully soon.
Yeah.
May magkaroon ang dami.
Yes, please follow Beanie Community here on Weavers.
Yes,
I saw
guys!
Iba yung
For more
members
updates.
na naka-follow. I saw that. So if member ka, follow also the Bini community.
Yes.
Yes, guys, we will be posting
It's different.
updates.
More contents.
Kung ano-ano.
If you want to see this
Hindi,
face, follow.
Basta magkaiba siya. Iba yung member ka, tapos iba yung naka-follow ka. So dalawa yung dapat yeah, nakita ko yun. Kasi ang dami nating members, di ba? Pero yung followers, nasa 2K.
Yeah.
Please follow. Yeah, so please follow Bini Community on Weavers.
Okay, guys, let's take some screenshot moments.
Okay, guys, screenshot nyo to. Take a screenshot. Happy first day on Weavers.
Weavers.
Okay, first pose. Smile. Smile, okay, smile. 1, 2, 3.
Okay,
Okay, next.
Ito.
Ano yan? Weavers. Ito na lang.
Bini.
Oh, Bini muna and then Weavers.
Bini.
1, 2, 3, go.
Tapos J.
J. Joanna.
Joanna.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, next. Ano to? Weavers?
Dapat view isa, Weavers.
We. Paano?
Pag POV nila, W, tama?
Tama.
Okay.
Kailangan N.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Tatlo yung kayo. B yung isa.
B yung isa, ito.
Weavers.
Yung
left,
kabila.
yung left.
Yung left.
Yeah!
Galing! 1, 2, 3. Next, number 1. 1, 2, 3.
Kasi it's her first day.
Oh, Egyo.
Egyo. Pa-close up po kay Ate Aya.
Egyo.
Paano Egyo?
Ano ba yun?
Ganito.
Papakit lang.
Oh, finger heart. Oh.
Finger heart.
Oh, finger heart to.
Next. Oh, next, ending fairy.
Oh, next. Oh, pogi pose, pogi.
O sige,
Sige
kaya
na, pogi. Basta sa amin yung later. Panis yung mga pogi, panis. Okay.
Alden Post.
Okay, Alden Post.
Go, Bebe!
Bebe, kaya mo na yan. Pa-zoom in
Pati rin hindi ko pa lang kitang ginagawa mo, Alden.
Wala, egyo daw, Ate Colette. Dali na, first day naman.
Si Mix mag-eegyo pag magaling na, okay?
May utang sa
Okay, 6-7, sabi ni Aya. Sabi ng
Sabi ni Ate Aya, si
Open the lid.
Put your fingers in.
Fingers.
Fingers.
Ang dami ito.
Fingers. Put your fingers in.
Wow! 396k viewers. Thank you so much.
Hello.
Grabe!
Thank you, Lord.
Bakit? Paano?
Feeling ko, ano, di ba?
Thank you.
Thank you, guys.
Possible ba na multiple accounts?
Yes.
Akala ko pag member.
Pero kasi kahit multiple accounts siya,
Kahit ang dami pa din.
oh,
Per
ang dami
device.
pa rin.
Hello, we are Beanie.
One
Like
device,
example,
one
this
live
is two na.
stream.
So, same.
So, pero pag manonood ka, one device lang din. 1:1.
Like example, this one is like one account.
Pero,
This is
so
counted
what?
as one or two.
Or per device.
Magkaiba ata account.
Okay.
So, kahit ibang community. 300 device.
Wow.
Hello, guys. Thank
Oh,
you.
Sir MJ Felipe is watching. Hi po.
Live na live.
Kinabahan.
We are Beanie.
That's so amazing.
Thank you.
Okay, fun fact, Sir MJ Felipe is one of the
Best?
most sought journalist in the Philippines.
Yes, that's right.
Yes.
At
and
si Joanna ang susunod sa yapak ni Sir MJ.
And Joanna is number 2.
Praise reveal.
Bigla like hi si Sir MJ.
Ang debut ni Sir MJ sa...
First birthday niya rin. Lagyan natin to. Yes. O, sabihin mo,
Beanie
say hi to
MJ
our,
Felipe.
new watchers.
Oh,
A daw, A!
Ay! Ay! Oh, bebe, teach them the A.
400K! Wow!
Grabe! So kung 400k tayo, paano pa kaya sa ibang groups ng ano? no?
Millions.
Parang-
Yan.
Poppers, guys.
Ay! Ay!
Ay! Ala, wag dito sa food. Dun sa ano. Diyan, yan.
Yan. Okay.
One.
Kita. Yan, isa lang ba?
May isa pa.
Yung mandikita.
Isa lang, isa lang.
Baka dito sa
Ay,
harap,
go meet.
dito sa harap.
Gusto niyo i-close?
Alam niyo yung ginagawa
Dito
ko
na lang,
ano?
dito.
Dito na lang.
Dito na lang.
Ayan!
Okay.
Yan!
Nagalag.
Wait, naglalag.
Ay! Gusto ko makita.
Welcome to Philippines.
Welcome to the...
First ever Weaver sa Pinas.
Go?
Lag.
Okay na. 3, 2, 1.
Ala!
Napuwing ako.
Merry Christmas! Alala mo yung ano ng ba?
Alam, may ano sa...
Ang gala, may sprinkles yung isaw.
Naglag.
So, ibalik yung ano.
Yay!
Oh, 400k on our first live. Thank you po.
So amazing.
That is so exuberant.
That is
Extravagant.
18 million hearts. Wow.
Grabe.
Guys, si Colette yung 3 million.
Naka-monitor.
7 love views daw, hindi viewers.
View.
But still. Dami
But
pa rin.
still, it's 400.
Yeah.
Hi from New Zealand.
Basha lang sila.
Okay, bear with us, guys. This is our
Yes,
first
this is
live
our
stream.
first
We're
live.
still exploring. Pero
Madami
ano,
rin sila, 403. Madami rin bloom
Teach
sa first
us
time sa
din.
Weavers.
Thank you!
Ang daming first-timers sa Weaver. Kami rin.
Yeah.
Hindi namin alam paano
First
pa
time
mag-post.
namin as an artist. So,
Yeah.
Yes. Ang
Ay, mo ang beat.
Cute pala! Alin?
parang
Okay.
effect, no? Parang siyang ano.
Parang yung kapag nag-ano ka, wala. Ano yun?
Yung nag-like sa Zoom.
Oo.
Ang cute!
I don't know.
Ang cute
Baka
naman,
yung
no?
content.
Advance happy birthday, Jenny. Jeannie? Jenny.
Quarantahin here in Weavers.
Wow.
Hello po. My life starts at 40.
Yes.
Manifesting po.
nakisink in ba we're on Weavers?
Weavers!
We're on Weavers.
Sheena cannot believe it.
Yeah.
Oh, actually, before sa inyo ko lang naririnig ni ate ko ulit Weavers. Puro Weavers kayo
Saka doon tayo mo
before.
order nung... Oo, naalala mo yung
Oo,
nag-unbox.
nag-unbox.
Na nandun
Yung
ka.
Venus ko Blooms na unboxing namin ni Ate Colette.
Sa Weavers niya binili
Yes.
yung ano.
Wow!
Congrats!
Bebe!
Mami Jo is so happy.
Yes.
Did you
She's
know
a
that
K-pop
Mami
fan.
Jo is a huge fan of
Army.
BTS?
BTS. Actually, lahat ng ano namin, ng boss namin, BTS fan.
They are Army.
Army.
And
Like,
carrots, their
Willing sila magbigay ng rest day for
Sa
Beanie
boss.
para sa concert
Yes!
ng BTS.
Yes!
Ganon.
Yeah!
I-rest day nila ang concert day ng BTS.
Yay! Dawit kami.
Kailan ba? Kailan concert ng BTS dito po?
Sa Pinas.
Hanggang next year sila,
Next year
no?
pa tayo. Next year.
Hanggang next year pa sila.
Pero pupunta sila Mami Jo sa lahat ng bansa.
Lahat ng stops ng BTS pupuntahan nila Mami Jo.
Grabe. Ano yung complete sila? 7? Or may nasa ano?
Wala na lahat.
Hmm?
Di ba yung sabi mo magpapareserve sila? Oo.
Singapore ba yun or US?
Or Hong Kong.
Ang hirap kasi bumili ngayon ng ticket.
Hi everyone! Ano pang...
Araw.
Nasa community pa yung iba? Are you with Carrot, Army, and Jin?
Jo, sino bias mo sa K-pop?
Si ano?
Hoshi?
Si Somi.
Solmi.
Somi.
Si Somi. Oh.
Si Ate Aya, Lee Min Ho.
Ate Aya, Lee Min Ho.
Si Mix, ano siya? TXT.
Uy, Jisoo
Anong
to!
tawag sa
Jisoo.
fandom? MOAS.
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 Yun ba yung mali yung location na pinuntahan mo?
Hindi, iba yun.
Itzy pala.
Itzy. Meron din mo. Itzy.
Si Mix.
Mitzi.
Mitzi.
Ah.
Tas
Engines.
The Seraphim din, meron.
Me, I'm a twice fan. Once.
Once.
I'm a once.
And I'm a Blink.
Blink. And Bebe is?
Person. She's a
She's a
human.
person. She's a Filipino.
Ang Cat's Eye, di ba nasa
Citizen.
Weavers din?
Yes.
And a taxpayer.
Cat's Eye.
She's a Filipino citizen
Yeah.
and a taxpayer. 20M likes. Oh, thank you, Colette. Colette kasi nagda-like nila eh.
Revelove. Yes. Oh my God.
Revelove.
Ano pa bang
Di ba?
mga yes? Oh my gosh. Zone. Ay, hindi.
Wait,
Excellent.
Ano yung...
XOL. What?
Ang po.
Concert sila, guys. EXO? We? July 4 and 5. Manonood ako, i-rest day ni Miss M.
Oo, kaya yan. Sabihin mo lang.
Sabi ko na lang nila, Mama mo.
Kailan yan?
Sabi lang kayo.
July 4.
Dito?
Bakasyon natin yun ah. July.
Or July 28 pa ata ba?
Wala, siguro nagagalit.
Yes, guys! Thank you for watching. May training pa kami after nito. Pero next time, madami pa tayong lives together.
Yes.
Yes, yes, yes. And on March 21, if you're free, you can join us po sa Market. We will have,
Send off event.
Send off event before we fly to
The US.
So join us po March 21, guys. Market. Plus, if you're a Beanie Global member, mag-open tayo ng Beanie Annual membership dito sa Weavers. So stay updated kasi ipopost namin kung paano ang mangyari doon. So makukuha nyo same perks just like before sa Beanie Global website natin.
Yeah.
And more! And more! Yes!
Magkakaroon din kami ng mga like live stream talaga na solo, as a group, subunits if ever, kung paano man ang maging mangyari.
And yung isa sa perks ng member ka, meron tayong Lucky 88 na brunch. Yes, meron tayong makakasamang Lucky 88 na blooms.
For brunch.
For brunch. Kailan ba yun?
21 din.
Ay, on 21 din bago kami mag-prep for market. Imagine guys, mag-brunch tayo together.
Very intimate.
So see you po sa lahat ng 88 na nanalo. Congratulations!
Yes!
Baka may 888 na daw next.
Thank you, Blooms and everyone.
Tara, lapit na natin.
Yeah!
Bye-bye.
Bye! Again, we are Beanie 23.
Thank you
po.
po.
See you next time.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Weavers. Weavers.